Such an inconspicuous thing. Can't hurt. So this is definitely the messiest part of the process, just because it's still loose resin. Shed to the second glove set, and the final third bag. It's funny, the first two are for filtration, like they're the actual cleanliness, and then this third bag is to actually keep it on the press so that it doesn't move around.
Friction.
Yeah, it's got a nice grip to it. So there we are. 2 bags per plate. Once we have that, raise the plate for an initial warm-up. You can see that nice golden. That is pretty for full spec. That is so nice. So I'm gonna let it sit here for a minute, for 30 seconds-ish. See how much is still trying to drip out, which doesn't seem to be a lot, but I can still, like on these edges, I can still see movement, so I'm letting it go. I am going to hold this, we can get one nice gather. So sticky though. Glove change. And then I'm actually going to attack the papers, get all this residual stuff off of them. Much cleaner that paper is after the fact even. So we started with 180 grams clipping for 75% of time. 80% on the drop. What it's going to be at the end is big pen liquid.